When cleaning the pen, the first step is to disassemble its components. It is convenient to separate the body, the cap, the charging system or cartridge, the nozzle, and the feeder. It is necessary to wash the feeder, the nozzle, and the nib, in case we have separated it, with water. This can be done under the tap by letting cold water run or by putting them in a container with water. Cleaning a fountain pen is crucial to maintain your piece in excellent conditions. It is a simple procedure since you will only need cold water, absorbent paper, a soft cloth, and a brush in case the piece is engraved. To clean the converter, we will fill it with clean water as many times as necessary until it is completely clean. Once all the components have been cleaned, they will be left to dry on absorbent paper until the moisture disappears completely. This is such an important step because moisture can damage the materials of our fountain pen and also its performance. We will also use absorbent paper to clean the remains of ink that have been left inside the body of our fountain pen. Finally, even if the outside of the pen is not in direct contact with the ink, it is advisable to clean it to keep the pen in perfect condition and avoid finger marks. You only have to pass a chamois or microfiber cloth through the piece, and in case there are engravings, you can use a small brush to reach the most difficult edges. In case the filling system of the pen is a plunger, the procedure is analogous to the previous one. We will fill the system with clean and cold water to eliminate any trace of ink, and we will repeat the process until the pen is completely clean.